Okay, I have here the Giftgarden 8.5 by 11 certificate plaque. It's brown wood grain, very nice. It has the beautiful wavy edge design, and I'm going to show you the magnetic corners, how easy it is to install your certificates. So here's the cover. You're going to remove the protective film on both sides. So this is just the front, and then you're going to flip it over and you're going to do the same thing for the back, okay? So that's the front. And then I'll do the back separately, but certificate, front, lay it on nicely, and then you have your magnets. You're going to just pop those on. And look at how simple that is. Pop those on, holds firm, and you have changed out the certificate. We have a graduate in our house, and we're going to use that for this. So polished, so nice. Comes with hardware if you need. A very nice frame to swap out any award, diploma, photo without taking the whole frame apart. These magnetic corners, I like these a lot. The shatter-resistant acrylic keeps it lighter and safer than glass, but you're still having that clear, nice, clean display. Very nice for awards, diplomas, certificates, or a graduation gift. You could hang it vertically or horizontally. A very, very nice option for an office, classroom, home wall, or really anywhere that you want to display an important, nice document without making it look like an afterthought. Highly, highly recommend this Giftgarden 8.5 by 11 certificate plaque frame in brown wood grain. This review is sponsored by the brand.